Students, you can download the PDF given in description. Thank you.
Hello students, hi. I hope all you are fine. I am also fine here, and we have discussed in the previous lecture about mean, and the three methods we have discussed, that is direct method, shortcut method, that is assumed mean method also, and the step deviation method. In the previous one, we have discussed how we find out the mean by using the direct method of the grouped and the ungrouped data. Now, today my topic is second method. This is assumed mean method. This method is also called shortcut method. So here first of all we will discuss about the formula. What is the formula we are going to use to find out the mean with the help of shortcut or assumed mean method. Let us suppose x1, x2, x3 dash xn. These are the different values for a variate x, and the corresponding frequencies are given f1, f2, f3 dash this is fn. These are the different frequencies are given, corresponding frequency. Then there is a deviation di. This is called deviation di. Di is given by xi minus a. Here what is a? Xi we know. Xi is the class marks, different class marks of the given class interval. And what is a? A is the assumed mean. The value of I varies from 1, 2, 3 up to n. And what is a? A is called the assumed mean. So what is the formula? The formula to find out the mean is given by x bar equals to a plus summation of fi di upon summation of fi. Fi we know, this is summation of fi, sum of all the frequencies. A is the assumed mean. What is fi di? What is di? Di we have already defined. Di equals to xi minus of a. This is called the deviation. Di is called the deviation about the any value a. This a we have assumed as a assumed mean. To understand this, I am going to explain one example. How we will find out the mean of this with the help of this assumed mean method. This is shortcut method. So first of all, we will write out the class intervals which are given here and the frequencies which are given in our tabular form. Now we will find out the xi. Xi we know that this is also called the class mark. We will find the value of xi. And yesterday we have discussed how to find out the value of xi. This is mid value, class mark. How we are finding? So first of all, what we are doing? We are adding these 10 and 25 and it is divided by 2. Then this will be 35 by 2. 35 by 2 it means 17.5 approx. This will be 17.5. Similarly, the second interval we will find out 25 plus 40 upon 2 and the value will be adding them 65 by 2 and when we divide by 2 this gives, this is 32.5. So we are seeing here the difference is 15. Then what happens? We will add all the terms here. Similarly, we can find all the class marks for different intervals. 62.5, then 77.5 and 92.5. These are the class marks we have determined. This is xi. Now the next one. The next we have to find out value of di, and we know the di is what? This is xi minus of a. A, what is A? A is the assumed mean. A is what? assumed mean? First of all, we have to check in xi, which we have to let this is a. Let us assume this is as a. This way we can take. We will take this as a. Either we can take this, but I have taken 47.5 as a assumed mean. So in place of a, I can write this is 47.5. Now xi minus a. Now we will subtract this 47.5 from 17.5. Then the answer will be minus of 30. 47.5 will be subtracted from 32.5. This is minus of 15. This will be 0. Similarly, in this manner, we will find out, determine all the values 15, 30, and this will be 45. The all xi's we have now. Now the next topic, the next one, what we have to do? We have to find the value of fi into di. Fi into di we have to find. Then what we will do? We will multiply this fi and this di. This will be minus of 60. Multiply this. This is minus of 45. Multiply this. This will be 0. We will multiply all the terms here. Respective fi and di we will multiply and we got this one. Add them. Separate, these are two negative terms and these are two positive terms. What we have to do? We have to find this is fi summation and summation of fi di here. So first of all we will find out the summation of fi here. This is add them. Summation of fi. It means sum of all these frequencies. This will be 30. And the next one, add them. Summation of fi di. When we will add this is give total 435. Hope you got this topic. Okay, how we have increased this one so that we can make our calculation easy. Now we can use this formula. This is x bar is what? This is a plus summation of fi di over summation of fi. We have all the terms a. The value of a we have assumed this is 47.5 plus summation of fi di equals to 435 and this will be 30. Add. Now we have put all the values, the value of a, summation of fi di, summation of fi, all the values we have on calculation. This gives 47.5 plus 14.5. On dividing, this gives 14.5. Now add these two. We will get 62. This is our full and final answer. This is the mean by this method. To understand this topic more clearly, I have taken one more example. You can see class intervals are given 50 to 52, 53 to 55, 56 to 58, 59 to 61, 60 to 64. First of all, we have to check the class intervals are not continuous. In the previous one question, the class interval continuous, but here the class intervals are not continuous. Firstly, we have to make them continuous. So we know how to make it continuous. First of all, we will take the difference of these two. Difference is 1. We will add and subtract 0.5 in upper and lower limit respectively. Then what happens? This will be, the class interval will be 49.5 to 52.5. 52.5 to 55.5. 55.5 to 58.5. 58.5 to 61.5. In the same manner, we will make all the class intervals regular firstly. It means continuous. We made all the class intervals continuous. ठीक. Now we'll write the values of fi. Fi is already given. These are the fi: 15, 1, 10. Now we know that firstly we have to find out value of xi. Xi it means the class mark. Class mark for this interval, we will add them and divide by 2. This will give the value of 51. Similarly, we can find the class mark for each one: 54, 57. This is 60 and 63. Now first of all we have to assume here a. What will the value of a? I have taken this as a. The middlemost term, mostly I am taking 57 as a. Now we will find the value of di, deviation. Di equals to xi minus a. What is value of a is given 57. Now we will subtract 57 from all the terms. This is minus of 6, minus of 3, 0, 3 and 6. And now fi di. This is fi di minus of 90. Multiply these two terms: minus 330, 0, 345, 150. Next, we will add all these terms. This is summation of fi equals to 400 and add them. This is summation of fi di. This is equals to 75. So in the previous question and in this question we are doing the same procedure. We are firstly taking xi, then we are taking a as an assumed mean and using this a in the di in this deviation xi minus of a, and then we are getting all the di's here and multiplying the respective di with the respective fi, we are getting this one. Now then we know the formula. This is x bar. To find out the mean, x bar equals to a plus summation of fi di over of summation of fi. Put all the values. What is a? A is 57 plus fi di is given 75 and summation of fi is given 400. Now divide this. This is 0.1875 approximate, and when we adding this, this gives 57.1875. Approximate we can write this is x bar equals to 57.19 approx. This is the way in which we can find the mean, and this method is known as assumed mean method as well as the shortcut method. Hope this video will help you to understand this topic. Thank you. Have a nice day.